Cell Bros Comedy Minutes. Cellular respiration equation. Glucose plus oxygen yields carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. If you're going to go through cellular respiration, you're going to have a NAD plus time. Purpose of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process that occurs in the mitochondria of the organism, animals and plants, to break down sugar and presence of oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP. This process releases carbon dioxide and water as waste products. Whenever I'm near you, I undergo anaerobic respiration because you take my breath away. Thank you. I'll be here all night. 5 steps of the glycolysis cycle, part 1.
The first step in glycolysis is the conversion of D-glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. The enzyme that catalyzes this reaction is...
The second reaction of glycolysis is the rearrangement of glucose 6-phosphate. Phosphor something, that big word right there, right here, I don't know this. With magnesium chlorophore changes factor 6-phosphate into fructose 1 through 6 biphosphate. And then a bunch of other amazing transformations that do a lot of chemical reactions. Glycotrioxide 3-phosphate dehydroxide then adds aromatic phosphate glyceride 3-phosphate producing 1-3 biophosphorate. It's okay. Yeah, it's just a bunch of things being turned into ATP for energy to help the cell revive because fishes don't have eyes. The Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is the condenses of acrylic CoA with oxalate from create catalytic to create synthase. The reaction form isolate an enzyme by anthrocolysis. Kids, this is why you have to pay attention in school, because then you start pronouncing words like me. The second half of the Krebs cycle. CoA is removed from silicon CoA to produce succulent is oxidized to ferment. The reversible hydration of formation to L-mate is catalyzed by fermentation. Yeah.
Me? Mm-hmm. Okay. Electrons delivered by NADH and FADH2. Electron carriers from other parts of the process transfer their electrons to molecules at the beginning of the transport chain. Next, electrons will lose and release their energy as they pass down the chain. This will cause oxygen to splitting, and it will form water. And finally, as the hydrogen ions from the chain flow through it, they pass through a thing called the ATP synthase, which harnesses the energy from their protons to form ATP. Cellular respiration is the process taken by cells to break down glucose and convert it into ATP.
The end. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed.